Hey there, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we've got something special for all you music lovers out there. We're going to dive deep into the Xeneo X21 dual portable Bluetooth speakers, and why we believe they're the best in the market. So, stick around as we explore these powerful speakers that can even connect to each other for an immersive stereo experience. Let's start with the basics. The Xeneo X21 is a dual portable Bluetooth speaker system that packs a punch when it comes to audio quality. It's perfect for any occasion, whether you're at home, in the office, hosting a party, or traveling. Now, taking a closer look at the design, you'll notice these speakers are built to withstand tough outdoor activities. With a rugged cylinder shape and rubber bumpers, they're perfect companions for boating, golfing, hiking, and more. Plus, they're IPX6 rated, so they're splash-proof, dust-proof, and shock-proof, making them ideal for use in the shower, at the beach, or by the pool. What sets the Xeneo X21 apart is its ability to wirelessly pair two speakers together for an incredible stereo experience. When paired, you get a full left and right channel, resulting in booming stereo sound. It's like having your very own portable concert setup. But let's talk about the most crucial factor, audio quality. The Xeneo X21 boasts two 15W power drivers and a digital signal processor, ensuring rich bass, superior stereo sound, and crystal clear mids and highs. The aluminum passive radiators at each end enhance the overall sound projection, creating an immersive ambiance. These speakers are not just about sound, they're packed with features. You've got a built-in FM radio, so you can stay tuned wherever you go. There's even a micro SD card slot for your favorite songs. And of course, Bluetooth 4.2 connectivity with a range of up to 100 feet, along with an AUX jack, offers extensive connectivity options. The Xeneo X21 supports up to 10 hours of playtime on a single charge. They're portable enough to fit into your backpack or bicycle bottle holder. And as a bonus, they come with a hard EAV travel case to keep them safe during your adventures. To top it off, these speakers come with a 1-year warranty, 30 days of free returns, and lifetime technical support, so you can buy with confidence. So, there you have it, folks, the Xeneo X21 dual portable Bluetooth speakers, the best Bluetooth speakers that connect to each other. With their rugged build, stunning audio quality, and a multitude of features, they're perfect for every music enthusiast out there. If you're interested in getting your hands on these fantastic speakers, you can find the link in the video description below. And while you're at it, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth product reviews just like this one. Thanks for joining us today, and we'll see you in the next video.